Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into DocuSign, a game changer for managing digital contracts efficiently. If you're ready to simplify your signing process, this guide will show you how to use DocuSign to create, send, and sign contracts effortlessly. Let's jump in. Uploading your document. Start by logging into your DocuSign account. Click on Start and select Send an Envelope. Upload the document you want to send for signatures by dragging it into the upload area or selecting it from your device. Adding recipients and roles. Add the email addresses of your recipients. Assign roles such as signer, approver, or reviewer, depending on the nature of the contract. Placing signature fields. Use the drag and drop tools to add signature, date, and text fields to the document. Position these fields where you need input from the recipients, sending and tracking. Once everything is in place, click Send. DocuSign will email the document to your recipients. You can track the signing progress in real time from your dashboard. Signing a document. When you're the signer, simply click on the email link, review the document, and use the signature tool to sign digitally. You can draw your signature, upload an image, or use the system's auto-generated signature. DocuSign streamlines contract management, making it faster and more secure. Perfect for businesses and individuals alike. Have you used DocuSign for digital contracts? Let us know your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.